born and spend most of my days in Jamaica. Now Atlanta, Georgia under attack. Remember when me used to DJ in high school, be tabletop, watching on me a rap. Try the Instagram thing, met millions live on social media when me a act. Now be blue tick Instagram baddies, won't come twerk and sit down in my lap. Jamaican girl, them call themselves hatters. American girl, them call themselves snacks. Got this one Atlanta shorty that give me so much head I call her head wrap. And my Jamaican thing left a breakout. She love going but I wine pan neck top. And the funny thing is they both got a man, but they know same use, it's like a bread back. Atlanta niggas, they hustle every day in a hole in the wall and call it trap. When the yard man them hustle up on the ends with the phone of them man, but them call it trap. In proper English them chat with clip we stick out like the bottom of Jamaica's map. When we say trap is not with what Americans call a machete or what we call us. Jamaican them say bumbo clot, American them say shit fuck. Americans say they leaving now, Jamaican them say me a cut. Jamaicans call her a scheme bicycle, American them say she's a slut. But really I don't care what she is because the Negus needs a nut. Jamaican them say them pum pum good, American girls say they got that wap. I'm a pum pum detective, let me go to work and I find out if it's trash. When we smoke, Americans say they high, Jamaicans say they frost. Americans say they do in the verses, Jamaican them say we do in the clash. They be like, who's that short nigga that love to talk shit but got big heart? It's me nigga, it's the Negus. Where I'm from you can't be fraud. I don't have swag or riz, I'm a top gal, it's because I come from yard. One hot Guinness and a Magnum in a split full of grabber that got me charged. Chip lick, I'm a misfit. Neck frozen, wrist lit. Short nigga but I like big chicks. How big my legs go numb after 5 minutes when she sit on this dick. Blow her back out and mine too, that one time I try to lift it.